In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete products from your Wayfair seller account. This is a straightforward process that will help you manage your inventory efficiently and ensure that your product listings are up to date. Whether you're looking to remove outdated products or simply want to clear up some space in your inventory, these steps will guide you through the process. First things first, you'll want to log into your Wayfair seller account. It's always a good practice to ensure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the account dashboard if you haven't visited it recently. This will make navigating through the next few steps a breeze. Now that you're in, you need to navigate to either your product listings or inventory management section. Depending on your account setup, this section usually holds all the details about your current products. Finding the right section may take a minute if there have been recent changes to the interface, but it generally should be well labeled and easily accessible from the main dashboard. Spend some time browsing through the list to ensure you can easily locate the products you are planning to delete. Once you've located the inventory management section, the next step is selecting the product or products you want to delete. This might be one item or perhaps a seasonal collection that's no longer relevant. You can usually do this by checking a box next to each product or using a selection tool for multiple items at once. Being precise here is important. Double check that you've selected the right items to avoid any accidental deletions. After making your selection, it's time to find and choose the delete or remove option. This button may be situated at the top or bottom of the page, or sometimes within a drop-down menu. Once you click that option, the system will typically prompt you to confirm your action. This confirmation step is crucial because it helps prevent unintentional removal of items, so read through any prompts carefully before proceeding. Finally, it's important to verify that the products have been successfully removed from your active listings. You can do this by revisiting your product listings or inventory management section to see that the items no longer appear there. This verification step ensures that there are no lingering listings visible to customers, which could potentially lead to misunderstandings regarding product availability. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've taken control of your inventory, keeping your shop organized and up to date for prospective buyers. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling.